My name is Jason Duff, and I am the founder of Small Nation. Small Nation invests in places, spaces, and dreams for towns and entrepreneurs. We are inside right now the Syndicate, which is the new wedding, events, and beer garden entertainment venue that's happening in downtown Bellefontaine. We're super passionate about what's been happening in the revitalization effort and the historic preservation in our town, and we want other visitors to come check out our downtown eateries, the 50+ specialty retail stores that are around town, and just the amazing destination this town has become because of the passionate entrepreneurs that are here. You can learn more about Small Nation at smallnationstrong.com.